A Roth IRA, it allows you to put money into a retirement savings account, but you pay taxes first. And then it grows in that retirement savings account. And then when you take money out later, you don't pay tax. And that's kind of the opposite of a traditional retirement savings program. In America, it's called a 401k. In Canada, it's called RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Program. In other countries, it's called something else. Australia, I think it's Super Annum or something, yeah. In the way that traditional retirement accounts work, and if you can do it, everybody in this call, please save as much money as you can. It's the best investment you'll ever make because it's tax shelter. The way it works with a 401k or traditional retirement savings programs in most countries is you put money into it tax-free every year. Okay? In the United States, I think it's $18,500 you can contribute per year max. Then when you put your money in that retirement savings account, it grows and you never pay taxes on it ever until you take the money out when you're older. So that's the opposite of a Roth IRA where you pay taxes first. You pay taxes first, yeah. And the reason some people like to do a Roth IRA is because they think to themselves, oh my goodness, taxes are going to be way, way higher in the future. So I might as well pay taxes now. So that's what I would say. But I think it's the best investment you can do, retirement savings. And for those of you that work at big companies, you might have a retirement savings program that's sponsored by your company. And I recommend, if you can, I know times are tough now, but I recommend, if you can, to have money deducted from your paycheck every single 2 weeks. So it's out of sight, out of mind, and it goes in your retirement savings account. And if you do that from a young age, within a couple decades, you will be a multimillionaire just in that retirement savings account. So the younger you start, the better.